Guys, Mrs. Thompson here with our fluency group counting. Watch my hands. Remember when you see my thumb go up, you're counting forward, down, backwards, and then of course if you see this, it means to stop. Okay, I'm gonna use this hand. All right, guys, we're gonna start by twos and we're going forwards and backwards to 20. Watch my fingers. Ready, and we're gonna start at 2. Ready, and go. 2, 4. Awesome. Watch my hands. We should have stopped at 12. Ready, go. 14. Awesome. We should have stopped at 20. Watch my hands. All right, we should have stopped at 12. 14. Should have stopped at 20. Ready, go. 20. 12. You should have stopped at 2. Awesome work. Let's skip count by threes. Watch my fingers again. We're going to start at 3, going up. 3. Should have stopped at 30. Awesome. 30. Should have stopped at 3. Awesome. Ready, count. 3. Awesome. Should have stopped at 9. Ready, count. Stop. You should have stopped at 21. Stop. You should have stopped at 15. Ready, count. Should have stopped at 9. Awesome work. Now we're ready for board work. Please get out boards and markers. And if you need to pause to get out your boards and markers, you can. Take a look at the array. How many groups are in this array? Right, there are 2 groups in this array. 1, 2. How many are in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in each group. So, what is our repeated addition? Right. 5 plus 5 is 10. What is the division number sentence? Right. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. The 2 represents the groups of. Now let's do more practice. You try 5 groups of 3. Draw an array for 5 groups of 3. Right. Now that you have 5 groups of 3, you should have 5 rows with 3 in each row. What is the repeated addition for 5 groups of 3? Right. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. What's the division number sentence? Correct. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Let's try more on your board. Erase your boards. Draw an array for 3 groups of 4. Did you draw 3 rows with 4 in each row? Correct. What's the repeated addition for 3 groups of 4? Right. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Now write the division number sentence. You're right. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Boys and girls, let's try one more array. Please draw 6 groups of 2. Did you draw 6 rows with 2 in each column? Right. There are 2 in each group. Now write the repeated addition for your array. Right. It's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. Now write the division number sentence. Did you put 12 divided by 6 equals 2? Awesome. Good work, boys and girls. Have a good day. See you tomorrow for your fluency work.